Hello? 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 Isn't this a good way to maintain social distancing? Well, yes. So yeah, guys, like I'm on my way to Tickle Falls now. So actually, I had some official work. So after seeing that work, I decided to go for a ride. So this is how the ride started. Check this out. I'm glad that my bike started even after 45 days. But I can see there is a slight drop in the battery because the timing is changed. Right now, the time is somewhere around 9:20ish, but it is showing 4:43 p.m. and even the fuel is not there. So let's go to the petrol station, put some fuel. Nope, air is not there. I no need to go out there. शेल में हवा नहीं था. So let me check for another fuel station. देखना यार. So this will be my right spot. So let's get some fuel. So hवा डाल दिया. Let's go. So yeah guys, like I'm near Gublala and the official work which I was talking about, it's in Gublala only. So I'll finish it off in a while and we'll get back to you. Alright guys, I'm done with my work. So there is nothing much to do over here. So I just came and settled few of the wages and stuff and I'm heading back home, but I don't want to because it's been almost like 1 hour, that's it, and I want to spend some more time. So what I decided is like I'll be going to Totikalu Falls, which is nearby, some 30 kilometers from here. So let's go. Calls. See, they want a race, guys. And trust me, like, don't give a damn to this kind of folks. You're on a ride, so enjoy your ride rather than doing all this kind of race and shit. I've seen it before. So hey guys, I've decided not to go for TK Falls now. So after seeing the dead bird, like there's some kind of negative thoughts which is going on in my mind. So literally, like that's a poor thing. And yeah, like I'll be ending this video here. So do subscribe and hit the like button in case you like the content I make.